Well, what's up, Angular Explorers? It's your tech buddy Leandro here, bringing you another episode of Angular's Mystery Box. But before we jump into today's tech adventure, do me a solid, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the coolest Angular content around. Today's topic, the mystical lazy loading feature in Angular. Now, lazy loading might sound like what I do on a Sunday afternoon or every day, but in Angular, it's a game changer. Imagine your app is a giant buffet. You don't want to bring out all the dishes at once, right? That's where lazy loading swoops in. It's like a superhero waiter, serving up content only when it's needed. Why is this awesome, you ask? Speed, my friends. It's all about speed. Lazy loading helps keep your initial app size smaller, which means faster loading times. It's like being at a theme park and having a fast pass for every ride. Setting it up is a piece of cake. With Angular's routing, you can tell your app, hey, only load this module when the user actually visits this page. You know, like telling your TV to only turn on when your favorite show is airing. How cool would that be? But wait, there's more. Lazy loading doesn't just improve performance, it also helps with organization. Like having a tidy room where everything is in its place, ready when you need it. So go ahead, give lazy loading a try. Your users will thank you for the zippy experience. Your app will feel lighter than a feather. Who knew being lazy could be so productive? Alright, Angular adventurers, that's a wrap for today. If you found this episode helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Angular magic. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding. This was Leandro. Peace out.